morning, Yellow 4. Today is Tuesday, January 12th of 2021. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had a great winter break. But right now, today, it's time to go back to learning. So here at Valeska Hinton, we will have 2 more weeks of remote learning, and then we'll go back and in-person instruction on January 26th. So let's buckle up and get ready to roll on this beautiful and wonderful year. It's circle time in English and circle time at home. So let's start singing our song Hello in English. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? How are you, friends? I hope that you're having a wonderful time. And I know it's a little chilly, but it's time to say good morning to all our friends in Yellow 4. And I got all your beautiful faces. So good morning, Evie. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, Uriel. Hello, Vicente. Good morning. Good morning, Amaya. Good morning, Zion. Good morning, Tora. Good morning, Sadiq. Good morning, Julia. Good morning, Roman. Big up for Ayla. And we have a new friend in Yellow 4. Her name is Naraya. Good morning, Naraya. We can't wait to see you in person. So good morning. Say good morning to all your friends at Yellow 4, and we hope to see us each other in person very soon. All right, after we say good morning to our friends, let's sing the days of the week. Today, because it's English Day, we will sing them in English. Are you ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, and then Saturday. But today is Tuesday, January 12th. Tuesday. And it's also winter. Finally, I know we were in fall forever, and it's finally winter, and it's very cold. I know it could get colder, and I'm happy that we're all at home, bundled up, probably drinking some good hot cocoa. But outside it's winter, and there's snow, and there's ice on the trees, just like in that picture. How does winter look like where you live? What about you? Tell mom and dad how winter looks like outside and ask them to send me a text with your answer. I'll be waiting. All right. And the month of the year we're in is January. Yeah, January is the first month of the year. Everybody, let's count. One month. The first month of the year is January. And the letter of the week is the letter R. And R is for rose and rook, and what else? If you have any ideas of what else starts with the letter R, let me know. Thumbs up for your good work. All right, amigos. So with this, we will say goodbye. But stay tuned so we can do our learning activity of the day on the next video. All right, for now, we'll say goodbye.